Did you know that India has more endangered languages than any other country in the world? Some 197 Indian languages are in various stages of endangerment. That is alarming, right? Without further ado, let's quickly take a look at some of these Indian languages which currently need our attention. Before we start, let us first understand what language is. Language is simply a system of conventional spoken, manual, or written symbols used by human beings as members of a social group to express themselves. It is not only a tool for expressing identity and culture, but also stands as one of the greatest emblems of human diversity on earth. Language belongs to us human beings. Although other members of the animal kingdom have the ability to communicate, none do so as productively and as creatively as humans. Take for example bees. Bees have a special dance to indicate the locations and strengths of food sources to other bees. But the theme of their communication system is only restricted to food. What about a parrot taught to speak our language? That is pure mimicry, absolutely without a communicative function. Similarly, teaching sign language to chimpanzees and apes is not the same as learning a language, because despite being the closest relative to human beings physiologically, they haven't developed anything like a spoken language. Now, what is the potentially endangered category for languages? UNESCO declared that any language that is spoken by less than 10,000 people is potentially endangered. But in India, a language with less than 10,000 speakers is not included in the list of official languages. When renowned activist Ganesh Narayan Devi mapped out the linguistic diversity of India, he identified close to 780 languages, 600 of which are potentially endangered. What are some of the dying languages of India? Tribal languages are mostly faced with the brunt of extinction. The Majhi language of Sikkim became extinct in 2016 with the death of its last speaker, Thak Bahadur Majhi. Although there are about 1,000 people of the Majhi community who are still living in Sikkim, none of them speak the Majhi language. Similarly, the Mahali language in eastern India, Koro in Arunachal Pradesh, Siddhi in Gujarat, and Dimasa in Assam are standing on the edge of extinction. Here are some of the Indian languages that are also standing on the brink of extinction. Jarawa. Jarawa is a descendant of the Organ language family. Popular especially among the hunter-gatherer communities, it is the language of the Jarawa tribe of the Andaman Islands. The Jarawa language has no system of writing, only drawings and gestures are used to communicate. Despite being an official language of India, the language currently has only 270 speakers. Aimol. Aimol is the language spoken by the Aimol tribe of Manipur. Currently, it has less than 3,000 speakers worldwide. This language is spoken primarily in the Chandel, Churchandpur and Senapati districts of Manipur. Gutob. The speakers of this language are mainly concentrated in Odisha's Koraput district and Vishakhapatnam district of Andhra Pradesh. The hydroelectric projects in the area have displaced Gutob people from their traditional villages and made the language critically endangered. Kote. Kote language only has about 900 native speakers in the Nilgiri hills of Tamil Nadu state of India. Currently, the population of the Kote tribe is only 2,500. Nihali. Nihali or Nahali is a moribund language spoken in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. In 1991, the Nihali tribe had a population of 5,000 and the language was spoken by only 2,000 people. Today, there are no other surviving monolingual speakers of the language. Toto. Toto is spoken in the border region of West Bengal and Bhutan by the Toto tribe. It is listed as a critically endangered language by UNESCO. The language is reportedly spoken by less than 1,000 speakers. In 2013, the Ministry of Education of the Government of India initiated the Protection and Preservation of Endangered Languages of India scheme to protect and preserve the critically endangered languages of India. Language is extremely precious to our individual cultures, and it is up to the present generation to preserve our culture. India is globally known for its rich linguistic heritage. Since 1961, India has already lost more than 220 languages. And in the next 50 years, India may lose another 150. Scary, right? We need to understand that a language doesn't decay overnight, neither can it be saved overnight. Small steps taken over time by even a small group of people can breathe life back into a dying language. Your language is yours to save. See you on another episode of Know It All. Till then, keep playing the quiz on Mind Wars.